Introducing Razer Snake Gaiters. Whether you hunt, hike, camp, or work every day in snake country as a landscaper, forest ranger, don't take a chance. It's suitable in any environment to cover yourself from sticks, thorns, and offers protection from lethal snake bites. It will save you from cuts, bruises, and infections that would otherwise slow you down in an unpredictable environment. The gaiters are lightweight, durable, and designed to comfortably wrap around your lower legs, covering your calves, ankles, and an additional 5 inches across the top of the feet without compromising your mobility. Each and every pair is lab tested for puncture resistance and also tested using live rattlesnakes. The gaiters come with a free nylon storage bag and a variety of color options to choose from. Whether work requires you to step into snake country or your curiosity takes you on a wild outdoor adventure, Razer Snake Gaiters will give you the confidence you need.